JALU Intelligent Technology Company Limited is located in Yuyao, Ningbo City, Zhejiang Province, which is in the most active economy Yangtze River Delta in China. It is close to the exit of Yuyao High-Speed Road and the Ningbo Port. Our company covers the construction area of more than 10,000 square meters and has more than 150 employees. We are a national high-tech enterprise integrating product design, research and development, manufacturing and sales. Our company has been rooting in the industry for more than 20 years, has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. Most of our products have passed CE, ANSI, and ROSE certifications, and we also have dozens of patents. Our company is a professional auto-darkening weld helmet manufacturer, focusing on the development and manufacturing of high-performance personal protective equipment. Main products are auto-darkening welding helmets, auto-darkening welding filters, auto-darkening welding glasses, face shield and a respirator, etc. Our company has established a complete production system with various workshops such as mold development, injection molding, spare parts welding, shell painting and decals, and finished product assembly, etc. There are more than 20 injection molding machines, 5 various production lines, and dozens of various molds. With an annual production capacity of 3 million sets of various types of auto-darkening protective equipment. Our auto-darkening welding helmets not only use ergonomic shell and a true color filter, but also are widely recognized and highly prized by customers all over the world for their excellent optical performance, large view area, and a strong protective design. Our welding helmets have been exporting to Europe, America, and Asia Pacific and other regions. Our company has been implementing the quality-oriented, excellence in quality policy. We have a professional testing laboratory equipped with a large number of sophisticated testing equipment, which can comprehensively test the main parameters of the filter, the protective performance of the shell, and the performance indicators of main spare parts. And we have established a normative standardized inspection standard for each part, finished product, and each process. Over the years, we have never stopped moving forward, insisting on a pioneering spirit to expand the market. We will continue to work hand in hand with customers to provide the most effective solutions for the health and safety of welders around the world with better product quality, higher cost performance, and better service.